Look at my hang time. Look at my hang time. Hey, it's Baby Cam back today with another motherfucking video. And for today's video, I'm getting my hair done. Her hair page is gonna be in the description, huh? Y'all gonna see me transform.
Put your hand on your face, move like a snake, move like a snake, move like a snake. Put your hand on your.
Fuck no, baby.
Do you see? Move like a snake. Like a snake. Move like a snake. What's that? That smells so good.
Needs to condition your hair before I start. I cannot do like natural people hair. I hate doing it without some type of conditioner in there. Move like a snake. Are you about to go to sleep? Huh? No, I'm asking, are you about to go to sleep? Oh, okay. Then turn it off. But when she wake up, she getting her TV back. Okay.
And I can put it in a bun. And I can put it in a bun.
Did that actually work?
Well, no, I don't know what I'm doing.
What did you do? Shelly get to
I look drunk.
What y'all do?
Gonna be a baddie. Ew. Ew. My face looks fat. Oh my god. I don't think so. My face ain't real fat, bro. Bro, this.
That is not the color of your
Yes,
hair.
it
We're
is.
not about to start this again.
Yes, it is. It's the color of my hair.
Oh, this is it. I was like,
It's the color of my hair.
no, it's not. Shakira. On the camera, it looks like it. But right here, these are two different colors.
They're the same color.
Shakira, look.
But it's so
No.
It's so delicious.
Come on, bro. What you doing?
It's so
Psychotic
delicious.
self.
So delicious.
Kiss it, better, baby. What are you willing to do?
To you.
Oh, tell me what you're willing to do. Kiss it, better, baby.
Oh my god. You're doing it wrong.
I don't know how to do it. I wasn't paying attention. It don't even matter. Telephase. Cytokinesis. Black power minutes.
Slow butt.
Boy, if you don't get.
I think I'm gonna cut my hair.
No.
Before we go back to school.
Alright, I'm gonna cut my hair off then.
No, you're not.
You cut yours, I'm gonna cut mine.
No, you're not.
How much
Shall
you
be
bet?
fine.
How much you
Whatever
bet?
you willing to lose.
My life.
Get back.
Why you do
Did
that?
it hit you in your nose?
Yes.
Sorry.
That hurt.
On my face. If you don't want my love, I understand. I'm sorry. Y'all like my Jack the
Jack Sparrow.
yeah. No, it's
That's
not.
not. Don't you agree
I'm
with
talking
me?
about yeah him. No.
It's Jack. He didn't have a last name.
I'm pretty sure he had a last name.
No, he didn't. I promise he didn't.
That's my phone.
Bro. Jack Skeleton.
Told you he had a last name.
That's what I said. Skeleton. Jack Skeleton.
What did you just say? What did you just say though?
He didn't have a last name.
He didn't have a
Bro,
last name.
after I said that, I
Whatever.
literally said Jack Skeleton.
Jack Skeleton.
But you just said.
Bro, I literally just said Jack
But you
Skeleton.
just
I
said-
just said Jack
I don't
Skeleton.
care.
That don't.
Girl,
I bet your phone be going stupid, Dad. Look, Jewel.
Huh?
Like, this don't make no sense. Like, y'all, it's.
You should see my notifications.
I don't even want to. Like, you probably got notifications from 2 weeks ago still on.
Listen,
Jewel, that don't make no sense, bro.
when was 11:30? Oh, yep.
When 11:30 yesterday?
November the 30th.
You lying. Jewel, this don't make no sense. Why do you have notifications?
I don't check it. No, don't smile.
Bro.
Over there by getting under me.
Way!
That's a hammer.
What time is it? Jewel, I think it's good.
Let me do my thing.
That's hot. I'm playing.
I was gonna be mad.
It feels good.
No, you can get your orange chicken.
That's going on my scalp. Hold on.
Not too long. Not too long.
Ooh, that feels good. Ooh. Ooh, yes. I want all that oil, yes.
You scared me? Yeah, I gotta get all into the nooks and crannies of the people here. Otherwise, it's not truly moisturized.
Get you a hairstylist like mine.
Even though her hairstylist takes forever.
It's
But
okay.
practice.
It's been like a day, a full 24 hours and some. Bro, I've been here since 12 yesterday.
But it's okay. I
It is.
fed her. Hopefully she was comfortable. I was comfortable.
They a little stiff.
They got my hang time. They got my hang time.
Shut up. Hey y'all, it's Baby K and you reached the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. If you're new, press that subscribe button. If you're not, press the post notifications. You already know what the deal is. It's Baby K and I'm out, but only for today. Stay tuned for my next video. Alright y'all, good night. I'm sleepy. Bye.